unboxing video of the trunk and trunk adapter from GIVI for my BMW RT 1250 RT. Now the first box here, which says T8, is the rack adapter. So we can open it, open the box, cut the tape, take it out. So this is the aluminium adapter that's required on the luggage rack of the RT 1250. It comes with all the fitting bits that you need and a description on how to do it. I'm sure I can figure this out by myself. That'll be in the next video. This is just an unboxing. So that is it. It's quite weighty, quite substantial. I'm quite impressed with that. So that's that. Now in the bigger box is the trunk I bought. The bike didn't come with a top box or a trunk. It could have got me one, but it would have taken 2 or 3 months. So they took $2,500 off the price, which I thought was pretty fucking good. And here it is. It's the 56NNT. It's black. My bike is white, so black fits perfectly. And I'll cut that. That's my stretching. There it is. I'm going to take it out. Try not to injure myself doing this. I'll just lift that out. Close up the box. I'm going to use this to put it on. There we go. Let's just cut this. Open. And there we are. And there is my new top box. It is a big one. So for when I go on trips, I have a key. Put the key in. Comes out. It says press.